Welcome children in bio class. Children, you have to study types of ribonucleic acid. You know ribonucleic acid RNA is a single stranded structure. It is composed of a sequence of nucleotides. The nucleotides of RNA consist of bases adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. The backbone of RNA is made up of alternating pentose and phosphate groups. In RNA, ribose pentose sugar is found. If you see, this is this structure has shown of strands of RNA. So this is the backbone of strands of RNA. It is made up of pentose sugar, ribose, and phosphate. On that, their nitrogenous bases are attached. So when you will see the nitrogenous bases which attach on this is guanine, adenine, cytosine, uracil. Like this nitrogenous bases are present. Children, there are three types of RNA. One is messenger RNA, second is ribosomal RNA, and third is transfer RNA. So there are three types of RNA. In that, messenger RNA is smaller but is still considerable in size. Messenger RNA is produced in nucleus. It carries the information for the synthesis of protein. There is a specific messenger RNA for each protein. Messenger RNA carries genetic information from chromosomal DNA to the cytoplasm. It acts as a template for protein synthesis. It is complementary to DNA. It carries the copy of the same base sequence as found in the DNA, from which copies is taken. Only at the place of thymine in messenger RNA is uracil. So, messenger RNA possesses a primary structure similar to a portion of one DNA strand. It forms a template for protein synthesis, and when copy of messenger RNA is formed, then in that at the place of thymine is uracil. The size of messenger RNA depends on the size of the protein. Messenger RNA carries the coded message from DNA to ribosomes for the synthesis of proteins. It occurs in the nuclear region as well as in cytoplasm. Now next is ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA is a single stranded and most stable form of RNA. It has highest molecular weight. The unpaired base in ribosomal RNA molecule binds messenger RNA and transfer RNA to ribosomes. And last one is transfer RNA. So transfer RNA molecule of a cell act as vehicles that pick up amino acid scattered throughout the cytoplasm and transport them to specific codons of messenger RNA molecule on ribosomes. So this is the transfer RNA structure. This clove leaf model of transfer RNA molecule has shown. In this, it is the attachment site of amino acid because it acts as a vehicles. It pick up amino acid from the cytoplasm, from the amino acid pool, and bring it to the ribosomes for the synthesis of protein. This messenger RNA's work is to pick up the amino acid. It consists of near about 80 nucleotides. So this clove leaf shape structure of transfer RNA has shown. This is the actually strand of, and this strand after folding by it will form this types of structure due to hydrogen bonds. At one end of it is unpaired bases form anticodon. So this I told the different types of RNA.